If you want to keep your Telegram chats more secure, or if you no longer want to use a passcode lock, this video is going to show you exactly how to enable or disable passcode in Telegram on desktop. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference when you want extra privacy on your computer. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Telegram guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where all of Telegram's important settings are located. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where you can manage your account, notifications, chat appearance, and security options. Inside Settings, look for the option called Privacy and Security and click on it. This section contains the controls for keeping your Telegram account and app usage protected. Now, to enable a passcode, find and click on Local Passcode. Telegram will ask you to create a code that will be used to lock the app on this device. Enter your passcode once, then type it again to confirm it. Make sure both entries match exactly, because this is what secures your Telegram desktop app. After confirming the code, click Save Passcode to enable it. Once saved, Telegram will now require that passcode whenever someone tries to access the app on your computer, adding an extra layer of privacy. If you ever decide you no longer want the passcode enabled, the process is just as simple. Go back to Privacy and Security again, then click Local Passcode. Telegram will ask you to enter the passcode that you previously set up. Type it in carefully, then click Submit. After that, you'll see the option to disable passcode. Click it once, then click Disable again to confirm your choice. This final confirmation is important because it fully removes the passcode lock from Telegram desktop. And that's it. You now know how to enable a passcode for extra security and how to turn it off again whenever you want. It only takes a minute, but it gives you a lot more control over your privacy on Telegram. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Telegram tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.